Good morning, grade 3. Today we are going to talk about tornado. Tornado is one of the severe weather. We talk about thunderstorm, hurricane, and today we are going to know a lot of information about tornado. Then we have the blizzard, is the snow storm, inshallah. Later we are going to talk about. In this week, we are going to understand the hazards, the bad things of the tornado, the effect of tornado, and later we are going to investigate how to reduce, to minimize its bad effects or impact. So let's we just recall that what is the hurricane, and today we are going to talk about tornado. What is tornado? Tornado is a rapidly spinning column of air that touch the ground. If you remember, a hurricane was formed over warm water, and it's spinning wind at speed of at least 75 miles per hour. While tornado is very fast. It's faster than the hurricane because it's swirling winds, and it's about 311 miles per hour. You can imagine that this is mile per hour. Imagine that you can reach to Riyadh and come back within an hour. It's very, very fast. So it's a rapidly spinning, moving as a circle. Rapidly spinning of columns of air that touch the ground. In the hurricane, it's over the warm ocean, while in tornado, it's touch the ground. Let's see how does it form, but I want just to talk about when we were talking about hurricane, we say that the hurricane has eye, while the tornado has vortex. Vortex is the area of tornado in which air spins very quickly in a circle. It's in the middle, in the center. While the tornado is a column, the center of this air column, we call it the vortex. When the air spins very quickly, you can imagine that if you open the water tap in the sink and you just open it, leave it to the water, it spins like it's very quickly. Similar when you just draining inside the sink. I think that you see this before. When you open the water and the tap water in the sink, and here the water just draining in a sink. The center of the tornado, we call this one is the vortex. It's opposite that in the hurricane, we say the eye is the calmest point, while the vortex is the strongest point in the tornado.
But teacher, but the tornado, when you told us about the eye of the hurricane, why the tornado is not like the eye of the hurricane?
Let's see our friend Abdullah. He do for us a video about tornado, and this is the rapidly spinning of wind that touch the ground. It's really dangerous. And it can destroy homes, trees, roads. It's very dangerous. That's why we have to learn about it to know how to reduce the impact of the tornado.
But I saw a video of a tornado on a YouTube.
Okay, Lulu, you can discuss. Wait just a minute. He do an experiment. We must do it and
We need water and a plastic bottle with lid and some dishwashing soap and a glitter. We add all this material in this bottle.
mute your mic, Khulud. Look for this. He add all these things together. Then he starts just to move it. Look here. It's very clear how the he will show you in a clear photo again. You see, it's like tornado. It touched the ground. And this is the center. It's
Bye.
thanks for you, darling. Thanks for helping me. Thanks for Zahi. Thanks for Abdullah. Thanks for Raneem. Also, she did this experiment. Thanks for all the girls. Now, let's talk about tornado and its bad effects. As you see in the video, it can be very strong and it's fast and it's more powerful than hurricane. We say that the hurricane wind speed is about at least 75 miles per hour, while tornado it's 311. So it's faster and stronger than hurricane 3 times. It causes huge destructions. It can destroy homes, trees, and also trees can be removed from root because it's spinning very, very fast. Also vehicles, cars, vans can be thrown very fast because the tornado touched the ground and the vehicles are on the ground. Thanks for Raneem. Also, Raneem, do the experiment and you can watch her on Instagram. This is thanks for Sadim, for Basma, for Rima, for Lulu, for Rahma. Your experiment now is on Instagram, and this is all about our lesson today. I hope that was easy. Tomorrow we are going to discuss how the tornado form. I want to show you the video.
Teacher, can I tell you something?
Yes, darling.
When there was this video on YouTube of a family, there used to be a tornado, but it wasn't like opening. It was next to their home, but they couldn't see it on the news. They saw it, then like their kids was like so scared, and then it like appeared like this and then go up. It didn't like this. It was just like a small one.
Yes, maybe sometimes it's strong and sometimes is mild somehow, but it is dangerous anyway. Now, the tornado, when warm and moist air can just hit with cold and dry air.
Teacher, I'm sorry because I still don't make the experiment, but I still don't try anything for the tornado.
Okay.
And,
okay, darling. We will discuss later. Okay, wait a minute. So, when warm air just come close to cool and dry air, warm and moist. Moist, it has a lot of water vapor. Warm and moist just meet with cold and dry air. They try to, here is the moisture, they try to spin. Just swirling, and they start in the beginning small with thunderstorm, then they start to become larger and larger until it reach to the ground and start to swirling as a column.
I'm so scared of the tornado. Scary.